This video is about what I learned from the clerks at the Superior Court of San Diego regarding what I need to do to get this demurrer filed. First of all, they have a legal aid office which is right there, and I'm certain this is the same in every county. You go to file your paperwork and the door is directly right there, and they say, as soon as you walk in looking stupid like I did, they go, see the legal aid people, like, don't come here. And so when I went to the legal aid, they come and see you right away. They like stop, like, what do you need, you know, I guess to see if you're in a rush. And when I explained it, she said, we cannot help you with a demurrer directly in this office. There's whatever reason. She said, if you want to, you could change it to an answer. And I was like, oh, God. No, there's problems. That's why I'm doing it. And she said, did you research the internet? I said, yes. And she said, do you feel like you know what you're doing? Yes. And she said, all right, well, I can refer you to people to help you, or if you want to just proceed, I'll tell you where to go and what steps. And so she told me what window to go to file the paperwork, and that was like all she could do to help me. So I went to that window and I told the girl, I want to file this stuff, but I'm not ready to, and I don't know about the date. She looked up my paperwork by my case number, which is on everything I have, and so on her computer she started reading, and at a certain point asked me what date I was served, and I told her Saturday in the middle of the day, and she said, oh, well, that's not recorded yet. So I don't know if that's common or uncommon, but anyway, it's not recorded as to the date they served me. But in any case, the clock started on Sunday, the day after they served me. So the day you're getting served is not the first day. And I don't know if that's true in everything, but it's true in eviction, and it's true in this particular summons. So I do have till tomorrow. And she, again, cannot give legal advice, but she did look at everything that I had. And constantly saying that phrase, I'm not giving legal advice. But she wasn't mean about it. She was just like, that question I can't answer. And then I could ask something else and she would answer. So she is obviously skilled to the level to know what she's allowed to say. But she did allow me to explain everything on my paperwork to her in full detail, and just her facial expressions made me understand that I'm doing the right thing. She told me that once I get this paperwork sent into the judge and it's accepted by the court, which I'm not sure, I think they have 3 or 24 hours or 36 hours or something, and the court will give me the acceptance that they've got it. Once that happens is when I need to serve the real estate company and let them know that this has happened, and so that they know that they have to come back. In order to do that, I have to schedule my own court date. And how I do that is tomorrow morning. I could have done this all along, but I had no idea I was doing it, so I didn't even do it. So anyway, I have to make this schedule for us to have the hearing I'm asking for. So that makes sense, really. I mean, who else is going to schedule it? I'm asking for it. So she gave me the phone number to call. She told me to call them right at 8:30 when they open in the morning, and just keep calling back until someone answers every few minutes. And they go from 8:30 to 11:30, Monday through Friday. So I'm going to need to call them, get them on the phone. And she said, once you get them on the phone, they're yours, and they'll explain it and help you. So I'll have another person to ask all my questions to, or some of them. And then this person, when they put in the court information, there's just going to be a date come up. It's not going to be that there's any choice in the matter. It's just going to be, here's your date. And this girl behind the thing said it would be somewhere in between 7 to 21 days, depending on multiple issues that have no bearing on anything. So that'll be the date. And she said, just be ready, because every once in a while the date changes. And there'll be a notice sent out to all parties from the court saying you were supposed to come, let's just say, next Tuesday, and instead we need you to come on Thursday. So I don't know. But she said, just get your paperwork ready and be ready, and then you'll be fine. And then the final thing, even though this is going long, is she told me to, actually, I think I'm going to stop. I'm going to put another video, so hold on.